Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel. Can I start affiliate marketing if I had just $100 in my pocket? Okay, so that is the question which a lot of people have asked me on my social media Facebook profile, and I'm going to be answering that question. If I have just $100, can I start affiliate marketing? Now, let me show you something that maybe uh, you need to know before you listen to me. Okay, so this is my ID on Warrior Plus. I've generated over 37k over here, and on a jvzoo platform, let me show. This is my account over here on jvzoo, and let me go through the affiliate dashboard so that I can show you on jvzoo platform how much I have earned, so that you know for a fact that the person you're listening to knows at least a bit more than you. All right. So excuse me. So on jvzoo platform, you can see I made over 8k 806 $8,658. All right, so this is something that I want to share with you. So let's get started. Let's see, if you just have $100, can you start affiliate marketing? And the simple answer is no. Absolutely no. If you have that kind of budget, if you don't have funds to invest in your business, my friend, listen to me. Don't even think about getting in affiliate marketing. Trust me. Okay, a lot of people are going to be sharing with you that, okay, there's a free traffic way, this is a free way to get affiliate sales. You may be lucky to get some sales initially, okay, but if you want to make consistent sales, you need to invest in this business. Okay, let me show you some of the things that are, I cannot say a hurdle, but these are the things which are important when it comes to starting affiliate marketing. Okay, so the first is you need to have your website, your domain, and a website domain would cost you like $20 per month. This is an ongoing cost, all right, which is something that you cannot avoid. The next one is an email autoresponder, because with website, you just don't want to have your website. You need to capture the visitors that are coming to your website. So that is where you would need an autoresponder. An autoresponder is a service, a software where you would be able to send out emails to your subscriber, those who opt in through your website. All right. So the email autoresponder basic cost is going to be like $20 per month. All right. Then there's a big thing that you need to understand, my friend. Affiliate marketing is a business. This is not a job. Okay, you need to first make it clear in your mind that affiliate marketing is a business. You need to own that business. This is your business. You need to have people looking at what you're ready to offer them. Okay, so for that, you need to advertise your business. All right, so for that, there is an advertising cost, what we can say as a traffic cost. Okay, so traffic is really important, my friend. Okay, without traffic, you're not in the business. All right, so traffic cost may vary. Okay, initially when you put in like just $100, you would at least get 200 visitors to your website or to your squeeze page, that kind of thing. But maybe from that 200 people looking at your squeeze page, only 40 to 30 people, maybe more than that or maybe less than that, would be interested into opt into your list. Okay, and then from 30 people, or 30 into 2, that is 200 clicks, 30% opt-in rate. There are like 60 to 80 people, those who opt in into your list. Maybe out of those 60 people, maybe one person will be there who would buy your product. All right. Okay, so then if somebody buys what you are offering, then you may get a commission. Now, the important thing is what you're going to be selling. Okay, you need to create your offer, and that can cost you a lot of money, my friend. Now, the easiest way to do is be an affiliate. Okay, be an affiliate. Get on some of the networks like ClickBank, Warrior Plus. You can register for free. Okay, you can Google it and be an affiliate and promote the offers, which are basically offering you affiliate commissions like 50%. Okay, so if some vendor is offering 50% commission across his product, then basically you can get an affiliate link and you can promote his product. Okay, you don't need to have any customer support, you don't need to just any refunds, that kind of thing. Okay, once it's done, the sale has happened, it's done, it's your money. Okay, now understand this, my friend. Affiliate marketing is something which a lot of people are interested in doing. Okay, but it's not something that a lot of people are doing it successfully. All right, so if you coming to Warrior Plus, and if you are registering on Warrior Plus, you can see over here a lot of different offers over here which are proven to convert because they have sold over many units. Okay, for example, if I can take this RPM, I can show you over here. You can see over here there are products which also have a lot of upsells, and you can see over here a lot of this different product in this funnel are offering 50% commissions. Okay, so what you need to do is just promote this affiliate link, okay, for those people who don't want to create their own product. Okay, but a good way to do affiliate marketing is basically you need to have your own squeeze page. Okay, then from squeeze page, take them to the thank you page where you introduce yourself. Okay, you tell them your name, what you're doing, how you can help them, and then from there you can offer them to the one-time offer. Now this costs a lot of money if you are going to be doing it on your own, but there's an easy way which I'm going to be sharing with you over here in the description. In the first link, there's going to be a program where you can basically get started for free. Okay, it's a free program, and basically you would learn how the basics of affiliate marketing works. Okay, you can go through the program, and then if you need, then you can upgrade. It's an optional, but when you learn it, you will see that the value in that program is absolutely phenomenal. And if you need some kind of help, you can connect with me on Facebook over here. You can, my Facebook link is given below the description. Send me a message, and I'm going to be replying to you within 12 to 24 hours max. All right, so initially those people who are telling you, my friend, that you can basically start affiliate marketing for like $100, or they're telling you you need to have your Instagram profile, you need to put in reels, you need to put in some videos, publish some photos, and you would get sales. Trust me, friend, you may be lucky to get some sales. Like I said, okay, you may get 1 sale, 2 sale, maybe 3 sale in a week. Okay, but to have consistent sales, you need to have your own website, you need to spend on traffic. All right, you need to have a consistent email subscribers coming into your account. You need to send them daily emails. Okay, and this is how the process actually works. So the simple answer to this question, that can I start affiliate marketing if I have just $100? The simple answer is no. All right, thank you so much for watching my video up until now. Thank you so much. If you like this video, you can click the like button. If you didn't like it, just click the dislike button. Let me know what you didn't like so that I can improve myself in my next video. All right, if you need any kind of help, reach out to me on Facebook, my friend. I will be more than happy to help you. Make sure to check the free program which is in the first line of the description. All right, so that can really help you in getting started in affiliate marketing for free. All right, but eventually if you want to scale your business, you need to invest. You can learn things for free over here on YouTube also, but there is a great way that I have learned, and that is what I'm sharing here in that program. Okay, so click the link below this video in the description, and see you there on the Facebook profile.